This is one of my favorite interactive tools to use in the elementary school. It is called abcia.com. It's a great little site that allows elementary students to use what they've learned and play games online, because what kid doesn't like to play computer games? Many of the games here are aligned with core content standards, and they're also separated by grade level. I really like this website. It has a great user experience. It's intuitive, easy to navigate, doesn't require a lot of reading, as many of my students are special ed kids. They have some struggles in reading, so having a nice, bright, colorful website with lots of pictures and makes them feel successful, and they really are drawn to it and enjoy playing the games on this website. So the games here are leveled by grade. You can see K through 5. There's also pre-K. Not as many games in the pre-K section as in the K through 5 section. But if we're just an average second grader, we would click on the 2 and we would see that the games are then again broken down, letters, numbers, holiday, strategy, and skills. So that's kind of, reading, math, fun strategy games. And again, you can see that all the games have pictures. Often I've been able to say to students, log in and play only the games in the orange section. So these are word games, or only the games in the blue section, which are math games. And they can choose any of those games and generally have a really good time playing them. So let's take a quick look at some of the word games. We'll just start with a really, let's see, keyboarding zoo, because every kid needs a little help with keyboarding, and it loads pretty quickly depending on, of course, our internet service. And there's lots of noise, so the kids love to pop on their headphones and kind of play.
Welcome to Keyboard Zoo.
Here we go. So we can make choices.
Names.
And it asks you to.
A.
You can see as you type A, it says the name, and there's lots of other games so that kids can practice those skills. You can also go to the parents and teacher section, and you can see that there's information for parents and teachers, Common Core standards, help. There is an app. You can manage your account and all the regular stuff that would be in the kind of about this website section. But if you click on the Common Core standards, you can see that these are the games that are aligned to your standards. They are not broken down by grade, but they are kind of all just grouped here, and you can see what those are. I'm going to go ahead and go back to the previous site because it seems to be slowing down my browser and it's not sure what to do. So sorry about that. Just hold on 1 second. There we go. Perfect. One of my students' favorite games actually is, I think it's in the pre-K section, my current students, they love the Make a Snowman. So this is just an example of one of the games that is actually not aligned to any core standards, but is just kind of a fun game that the students can practice clicking and dragging, and they can build a snowman. And they can really let's put that one right there. And you can change anything like this. The kids have a really good time. And what I'm currently using this website for is with students with special needs to practice, following directions, clicking and dragging, and that sort of thing. There we go. And there we have our snowman. You can start over, print, save, undo, whatever. Another great part about this is you can have a class login. So you can have a subscription and your class can then log in. Joining doesn't cost that much. Teacher plans are here, family plans, but really you can use the website for free and access all the games although you will have to put up with some advertisements. But the kids don't seem to mind, so we keep using it. I hope you enjoy, I hope you enjoyed my little screencast, and I hope you get to use abcia.com. I think it's a great site. Thanks.